Today we will see the pattern of MCQs, that how MCQ questions are asked on English to language, English to subject. These MCQs are from the two books of English 2 which we have already studied in our previous videos. So the first MCQ is William Flagler is the character from Justice of John Galsworth. William Flagler was arrested for the crime of forgery. John was burned for heresy, witchcraft, and sorcery. What is the name of Inquisitor in the play Saint John? He is brother John Lemaitre. Especially the MCQs are asked on what is the name of the play or from which play that character belongs. So studying character sketch is also very important in this type of subjects. The next MCQ is what prompts Adela Quisted to suddenly proclaims Dr. Aziz innocent. She has a vision of Marbar caves and she see that Dr. Aziz was not in the cave with her. Who is the collector of Chandrapur in the novel Passage to India? Mr. Turton. Now write term for explanation. Now here meaning is given and you have to find that which term meaning is that. It is the form of legal defense in which a lawyer can argue for his client that his client was young age in some other activity so that he could not possibly have committed the crime in question. It is an alibi. An alibi. In whose case Simon has framed up the evidence. John Brinston. George Orwell is the writer of 1984. Winston Smith is the protagonist of 1984. Room 101 is mentioned in 1984. The trial for illegal voting was given to Susan B. Anthony. The punishment given to Susan B. Anthony is $1,000 fine and 6 months imprisonment. Plessy versus Ferguson is the case related to the segregation of public transport. And Chief Justice Warren is the judge in the case of Linda Brown versus Board of Education. When the case is about the segregation in public transport, it is the Plessy versus Ferguson. But when the case is related to the segregation of Board of Education, means segregation between the white and black people of education is done, then it is the case of Linda Brown versus Board of Education. The life of Negro is still crippled by the manacles of segregation and the chains of discrimination, said by Martin Luther King Jr. In which speech Martin Luther King Jr. said that I have a dream. The case name is Glenn versus Weston Film Feature Corporation. Is that the crime of infringement of copyright and the novel titled 3 Weeks mentioned. The law protects original work of authorship is copyright law. We the People is written by N.A. Palkiwala. And the case mentioned in the essay We the People is Keshwananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. In The Adventure of the Greek Interpreter by the author Conan Doyle, Sherlock Holmes finally tells Watson about his family past. In this story, brother Mycroft is introduced. In the short story, The Adventures of the Greek Interpreter by author Conan Doyle, Sophie and Paul Cratides are siblings. Mr. Hall found the body of Mr. Wright. John Wright died as he was strangled. Ab initio means from the beginning. Ad hoc means for the special purpose. Full form of UCC, Uniform Civil Code. In the case Vishaka and others versus State of Rajasthan, the Supreme Court declared that sexual harassment of working woman at her workplace is a crime. Justice Mohan drew attention to the defects and inadequacies of the legal system in the case Delhi Domestic Working Women Forum versus Union of India. Education of Negroes was almost non-existent and practically all the race are illiterate. This statement is delivered by Mr. Justice Warren related to the segregation of school.